everybody, I'm Mrs. Ballou bringing pre-K to you.
And I'm Veronica. How do you do?
On our last episode, we learned all about the letters M-U-D. For this episode, you'll need 2 pieces of paper and some markers or crayons. So we went around our house and we found all of these letters. Will you help us count them? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 M's. How many U's did we find? 1, 2. 2 U's. And the D's? 1, 2, 3. So we found 4 M's, 2
U's,
and 3.
3 B's.
So which one did we find the most of? Which one has the biggest number?
Could I circle the one that has the
Sure.
most letters?
Circle the one that has the most, the biggest letter.
Do you think it would be this one?
No.
No. This one?
No.
This one.
Yes, 4. 4 is bigger than 3 and 2. Which one has the least amount? We'll circle it with a different color. Which one has the least? Did you say U? Good job. 2. 2 has the least amount. So now we could say goodbye to our letters. This letter was a,
M.
say bye, and
I am
this letter,
U.
U. Let's say goodbye to you.
Bye,
Bye,
you.
you. Bye. And the last letter,
D.
D. Goodbye,
Bye,
D. Our old vocabulary words from the last episode, one of them was collection. Do you remember what a collection is? A collection is something that is gathered. So when we're talking about the water cycle, we're talking about the rain or snow that has gathered on the ground, like a lake or a puddle, right? A collection. We also learned about this word, precipitation, and that's when the rain or snow falls down. So we learned about precipitation and collection. Today we are going to learn another big word that's the next part of the water cycle, and that word is
Evaporation.
evaporation. Evaporation. Try that with me. Evaporation. What do you think that word means?
I think it means that water goes up.
Yes. So evaporation is when water turns into a vapor. Well, what's a vapor? A vapor
Is
are little pieces that float in the air. So when the sun comes out, our collection or our puddle dries up and the vapors go up to the sky. They evaporate. Evaporation. Okay? So let's read us our little story. Story time. How do I look? Do I look happy here? I don't look very happy. I wonder why. Let's find out. Where did my puddles go? I've looked high and I've looked low. Where could my collection be? Did the sun come and take it from me? I went to town, I looked around. I felt very, very sad. Don't you worry, said my dad. Your collection went up to the sky. You don't have to say goodbye. Your puddles will be back someday. Everything is quite okay. This is a process called evaporation. The water is going on vacation. It travels back way up high. For now, it'll stay up in the sky. So let's get our piece of paper and we're going to do our first activity. On your piece of paper, I want you to draw evaporation. So that means when the water dries up and goes back up to the sky. So you can start by drawing old puddles and showing how the water is traveling back up to the sky.
And
evaporate. Oh, go ahead, Veronica. What?
And also, in a pot, when you cook spaghetti or mac and cheese, it evaporates.
Yeah, when you boil water, you could see some of it evaporating. Good job. So usually when it's hot outside or the sun comes out, the water starts to evaporate. It turns into vapors. Evaporation. And if you would like to write the big word with me, you can. E V A P O R A T I O N. Evaporation. When the water travels back up to the sky. So if you need some more time to finish your picture of evaporation, you can pause the video. For the past 2 days, we have learned 3 parts of the water cycle. We learned precipitation, collection, and now we've learned evaporation. So we have 3 parts of the water cycle. Let's start a new song. And we're not going to finish it today, we're going to finish it tomorrow, but we're going to start a song about the water cycle.
What?
The water cycle. Ready? Get your hands up and we're going to sign our song together. Precipitation, collection, evaporation. What do you think is going to come next? We're going to find out tomorrow. But for now, let's practice that again. Ready? The song about the water cycle.
What?
The water cycle. Precipitation, collection, evaporation. We will learn the last part of the water cycle tomorrow, okay? I wonder if our raindrops are going to evaporate. Oh, here the raindrops come. They're traveling back up to the sky. Let's catch them before they get too high. Would you like to get it out? Goodbye, raindrop.
Put it in there.
Let's get a new piece of paper out so we could work on our letters. We got this letter out of our evaporating raindrop. Do you know what this letter is? U. And the U says, that's right. So to make your U, you're going to go down, curve at the bottom, and up. U. What words can you think of that start with the sound umbrella? Under? Oh, I think our next raindrop is evaporating. There it goes. Catch it. Thank you, raindrop. Ooh, what letter did we find?
A.
P.
P.
Good job. And the P says? To draw the letter P, you do a straight vertical line down and one small curve. Let's try to sound out this word together. Ready? Now let's blend it. Up.
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 Up. Like how the puddles go up during evaporation. Let's draw our line and our column. So you only have 2 letters to look for today. You go around your house looking for the letters U and P. Today we only learned 2 letters, but these 2 letters spelled the word. They spelled the word up. Up. So your homework is to go around your house and find as many U's as you can and as many P's as you can. And once you do that, you could send me a picture or email it to me, however you would like, okay? Now, another assignment that I want you to do is I want you to go outside today, play, have fun, and try to find some precipitation or collection or evaporation, okay? So that's all for today, folks. Don't forget, Miss Baloo loves you. Bye!